Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I am here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart and we will be understanding, what exactly is the trend of these two cryptocurrencies and what can be done in terms of the, direction, in terms of some other things with the help of some indicators or the tools. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. And if you look at here, you can see this is the daily chart. All right, now yes, definitely, we can see a kind of muted trading which is happening here. So the price is just taking a support at around 20,000, as we were talking about this thing in the previous videos as well. So yes, yesterday it was up by around around 6%, slightly more than by 5%, but there was no relief, in terms of the upside momentum, or if you find anything related to a reversal or something. So we are not getting anything like that. So still we are in a downtrend. So what is happening here, I think, it's a kind of repetitive thing that we can see in the Bitcoin. So after a fall, the price consolidates for a for some time, for some days or some weeks, and then again you can see a fall, and then you might get another kind of consolidation or something like that. So this is a situation which is going on in the daily chart, and I think now after this fall, the price is just taking a support at around 20,000, and psychologically also this 20,000 level is very important. So you can see that the price will just take a support at 20,000 and take a resistance at 22,600. The price will move in this area only, and once we will see either side breaking, the price will break either of the side, then we might able to take further course of action. So this is for the Bitcoin. And if you look at the Ethereum, so for Ethereum also we are getting the same situation. Just look at here, you can see that the price is again giving you the same kind of situation. It's falling, it's taking a support here, and then it's falling, and now it's again taking a support, right? So this is something you can get from this Bitcoin, sorry, this Ethereum also. Now if you look at here, all right, so now it was up by around 9%. Yesterday it was up by 9%, but today there is again a kind of dozy movement. There is a very flat movement. Let's see the end of the day. Maybe we might able to see more price action by the end of the day. But as of now, it's looking really weak. It's not even moving. It's not even giving you any direction. So for the Ethereum, the resistance level comes out to be 1215, and the support is at 1050. So that's a very small range. That's a very tight range where the price is actually moving, right? So if you want to be just play with this range, you can definitely look at here. Otherwise, the best way to do or to enter in this particular cryptocurrency, or any, or even in the Bitcoin, like once the price will break either of the side, then the direction of the trend will decide further, and then accordingly you can take your action. So let's say if the price goes up, you can enter in a long position or something. But again, that depends lot of factors, like what is the breakout, how is the breakout, and things like that. So we will be talking about this thing in the upcoming videos if we get some breakout or something. But as of now, just it's very clear, it's very comfortable that the price is just calmly behaving in this area, in this small range, and it's not giving you not much momentum. So this is how you can look at the Bitcoin and Ethereum. So before I end up this video, I would definitely like to tell you that please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and just hit on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any notification. We will be including lot of other things in terms of the analysis, in terms of cryptocurrency analysis and other asset classes as well. So please subscribe to our channel, and this is all for today. Thank you so much.